Monday morning, February 16th, President's Day. We've got the blue line, green line are moving up, but the market's going to close here today at 1, so I don't know how much action we're going to get this morning. We'll see. Institutions are out today. Green line gets above plus 10, moves up, crosses above plus 20, where it peaks out here about 9:30 tomorrow morning, and then starts going flat or coming down and breaking down inside the 10 on Wednesday, moving down through Wednesday, and then it starts sideways really for the rest of the week in slightly bullish territory. Then we get outside the 10 line again on Friday, 2:30 a.m., and then it peaks out here early in the morning and then rides the plus 10 line the rest of the day. We do have nice confluence here on the blue and green line this morning, but I don't know how much volatility we're going to have here today. The next point of confluence comes Tuesday, where both lines are moving up from early in the morning, about 4:30, where we've got nice confluence till about 8 a.m. here on the blue and the green line. Then we've got some downward push here when the green line peaks, call it 9 a.m., till the blue line bottoms about 11:30. Moving forward, once we come off this big wide top on the blue line, both lines are pointing down from 3 a.m. Wednesday until the blue line bottoms here at 11 a.m. Green line then flat. Last point of confluence really for the week would be on the 19th, where the blue line bottoms at about 1:30. Both lines are in sync for the rest of the afternoon session until 4 or 4:30. Blue line spike pivots. See, we've got the low here, which was at this peak. The next important pivot is going to be here on Tuesday around 7 to 7:30 a.m. Then not again till the 18th, where we've got this wide top. This goes from about 1:30 till about 3:30. So we've got a 2-hour tapping activity going on here on the blue line. Should be some significant pivot there. Then we've got this about 10:30 on the 19th. Another wide tap later in the afternoon on the 19th, right near the close of the day session between 3:30 and 4:30. That is tapping, and that's really the last important point that we have going this week. So there is the Astro Excel for the week ahead.